We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make restaurant-worthy scallops at home. These garlic basil scallops are incredible and take less than 10 minutes. First up, mince some fresh garlic and chop fresh basil leaves. If you don't have basil in the kitchen, other fresh herbs like parsley will work too. We also need some lemon slices. On to the scallops. These are large sea scallops. Ours are fresh, but we have provided tips for using frozen scallops in the recipe on Inspired Taste. For an extra golden brown crust, we pat the scallops dry and add a fine sprinkling of flour as well as salt and pepper. The flour isn't absolutely necessary, but it does help with that perfect golden brown crust. I like to season one side and then season the second side in the pan. To cook the scallops, we need a hot skillet with some high heat oil, like grapeseed oil. Place the scallops down into the hot pan in one layer, then don't move them until browned on one side about 2 minutes. Dust the second side of the scallops with a bit of flour and season them with salt and pepper. Then, when they are browned on the first side, flip the scallops and add some butter and the minced garlic from earlier. Swirl the butter and garlic around the pan until it melts and the garlic smells fragrant. This is my favorite part. After a minute or two, the scallops will be perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Take the pan off of the heat and then stir in the fresh basil and lemon slices. After a few seconds, the basil will wilt down slightly. And that's it. Perfectly seared scallops cooked in a garlic basil butter. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.